Here goes nothing. Oh, it's something stinks. Ew, I can see it. Oh!
Yup.
This is so gross.
Yup, it's gross.
Oh my god. Babe, help! Help! Help!
Oh God, you got this. Reverse!
Hi. Currently 7 p.m. We're gonna be going to the pump out station for the very first time. Excited?
No, I'm not excited. It's gonna be smelly. But you gotta do
What you gotta do. And for the fridge, we have decided that we're gonna call a technician to come see what the hell's going on, because we're kind of out of clues what could be going on at this point. At our wits' ends.
So before I lose any more hair, I'm just gonna call it the technician.
Yes, exactly.
Good?
Yeah. And with that, we head to the pump out station. For those who aren't familiar with the term, a marine pump out just means to empty your boat's onboard sewage waste holding tank, aka the toilet water, the water from the sink, and etc. This is our first time doing this, and we are pretty clueless of what the process looks like, but thankfully there's a pump out station very close to our marina, only 5 minutes away. One of the problems with this pump out station is that it's in the river, and as a sailboat, we are always anxious if the water is deep enough for our boat. But we hold our breath and make the turn in these very shallow waters. And, well, the other problem with this marine pump out is that it's self-service.
Woo!
Oh, okay, let's try
We did it.
If I said anything very indulgent.
It's all good. It's all good.
Oh.
You did great. You did great.
The guy was like, the bathroom's empty. So the waste one I have to open? Okay. How do you know if it's on right?
Huh?
Is it suck? Is it?
You have to hold it.
Oh sh! Oh f! You better hold tight.
Better hold tight. You don't let it spill.
You don't let the poop go
Okay.
everywhere now.
All right. Okay. So someone needs to go to the thing and press plus.
Plus.
Green.
Goes nothing. Oh, it's.
Did you turn it on?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see.
Something stinks. Ah. Ew, I can see it. Ah! Ew.
Yup.
This is so gross.
Yup. It's gross.
Oh my god.
Mmm. Isn't it lovely?
The thing is moving there, so I guess that means that it's going all the way there, so at least that's good.
I think so. I wonder how long this takes.
Okay, it's not as brown anymore. Right now, what this makes me feel like is like I want to put all sorts of products in our tank. Like in that toilet and everywhere. You know, next time someone tells you they have a boat, they don't tell you these parts. No, no, just fancy schmancy people.
I have not seen one YouTube video where they do this.
Well,
So,
I guess ours is gonna be the first.
the first YouTube video of someone using a pump out station.
It's so gross. It's really gross. I'm assuming it'll just stop once it's done.
I would assume at some point it's just gonna suck air. Yeah, it's mostly watery.
Brought like masks and gloves.
So for all of you who do that too, bring masks and gloves.
Also, yes, I've only washed one side of our boat. I've yet to wash the other side, so that's why one side is so nice and clean and the others. I was craving ice cream. Maybe we'll get some blackberry sorbet after this. I don't want no blackberry sorbet. No? No. You don't want blackberry sorbet after this?
Some ice cream.
You can say that while holding the poop pump? Wow. Perks of not being able to smell.
I wonder if we're just sucking in river water.
No. Shouldn't do that.
I don't know how it's set up. See if there's any noise that you
We
hear.
didn't
in the
know how to
bathroom.
tell if the
Through the
pump out was
toilet.
complete. So we
And
tried listening
there
to
is
see if
our
there's still
battery
being
monitoring
water
system.
pumped out of our holding tank.
You go through
And
the
we also
display
tried
options.
looking at our monitoring system,
Turn it off.
which wasn't very
I think we're
helpful.
done.
If any of
It's
you
just
know
foam.
how to tell if the pump out is complete,
It's
please let us
foam.
know
It's
in the
just like
comment
a
section.
straw when there's not enough liquid anymore. Okay. All right, time to go home.
And just when we thought that the hard part was over and that we could finally go home, we had the scariest docking we ever had and almost crashed into 3 boats. We love having our boat on the river, but the problem we face is having to make sure that we always leave and return on high tide. Because as a sailboat, we have a big keel and run the risk of running aground. This means that at times when we're coming back to the marina, the tide can be very strong, and with the narrow length of the river, there really isn't much room for error.
That sailboat, that's the big one.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Babe, help! Help! Help!
Calm down, you got this. Reverse, reverse.
Huh?
Reverse! Good. Steer back. Forward.
Help! We're just drifting.
Yeah.
Help me, please! Please come help me.
Get off, get off.
We were fine and then the tide suddenly pushed us all in.
Yeah.
When Andreas took over for me, we tried to go into our slip again, but the tides were so strong that we couldn't get into our slip for the second time.
Drifting.
And even trying to turn in this stretch of the river can be quite challenging because, as you can see, it's quite narrow and it gets really shallow on the left side of the river.
So you need to turn, start turning back sooner because the tide is pushing to this.
Yeah. Tina, keep an eye on us on the side there. Keep an eye on the boat.
Yeah.
You're clear. You're clear.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
As far forward as possible.
That might be easier next time.
Yeah.
I hope it was recording.
Oh, it was recording. Oh.
I think we're in a moment.
So,
Please like and subscribe.
please like, comment down below all the things we did wrong. All the things we did wrong.
Yes. Like I had it. I
know you had it.
It was so close. I was in. And then the second I was there.
We're there when the other second we were over there and everything was falling apart.
See you on your toes.
Never gets old.
Tippy toes.
Never gets old.
I think we deserve the ice cream.
Yes. You deserve ice cream.
We survived.
We survived the probably worst
Docking
we've ever done. You've seen it. You've seen it.
So what happened was that I had my nose in, I was fine, and then a split second later, the tide just pushed us like sideways.
Yeah, let's walk over there. You can probably see it. See the wind and the tide. So this is our spot, and you can see the ripples of the water pushing out that way. And then the tide is going this way with quite a lot of force. You can see it streaming past these boats here. We might call this a episode.
This episode.
The episode ever. With the poop. We did the poop and then we pooped the
docking.
So yeah. Now you get the thumbnail. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please hit that like button, subscribe, support us, share with your friends, family, enemies. Peace.